Hello everyone, here with another video on some tools. This is another set from Home Depot. It's the Husky brand. And this here's a 37 piece bit socket set. It's got the Phillips, the straight, the hex, the Allen wrenches and the Torx bits, or star bits if you want to call them that. And they even have the security ones on it with the little hole in the center of the Torx bits. So they come in this here case, and this was a sale that was going on for Christmas pretty much, for the Black Friday stuff. And I got this here one before the sale actually started. And we'll go ahead and open it up here. And by the way, it is item number 1000, and there's a space 029 space 787, and I'll do a close-up of that so maybe you can see it better. If not, I'll put a link down below where you can get these, and I think Amazon has them. I'll put a link to there. And if I can find Home Depot's link, I'll put that one on there also. The case is a hard plastic case. On the back, it shows what all is in it. And of course, it's a lifetime warranty because it's a Husky brand, and I just dumped them all over the place. The bad part on the case, it don't fasten in there, they just lay in it. So don't do like I did and dump them everywhere. I'll try to straighten them out here real quick. And I'm not going to go ahead and go through. I'll just lay them wherever for now. But on this here set, it's got the number 1 Phillips, number 2, and number 3. And it has an extra of the number 2 size, which is the most common size that you'll be using. And it's got the number 4, 5, and 6 in the straight bits. And these are 3/8 drive, by the way. Which I'd like to get a set that's actually a 1/4 inch. And 1/2 inch, I would never ever use that size, probably, hardly. I'm always like 3/8 and 1/4. And on the hex bits, you got a number 3 all the way up to number 10 on the metric sizes. And it goes from 5/32 to 3/8 on the standard size. And you got a 1/8 inch star bit with a security hole in the center, which these come in really handy. And it's got a T40, T30, T27, and a T20. And it goes, and those are the standard sizes. And you have some with the hex. And those are the T55, T50, T45, T40, T30, T27, a T25, a T20, and a T15. And you got the T45, 50, and 55. And some of these are the standard ones without the security hole in them. And the others have the security hole in them. Like that. This set's really handy, all except when you dump them all over like I did inside them. At least it didn't go on the floor or whatever. Lucky me, right? But this here set is really handy, and I've always had the problem I can't find any when I need them, and I go searching through my drawers because I just throw them in there pretty much. So this set is going to help me out a lot. And they're made really strong. These here are good ones. I've broke some of them, of course, and Husky replaces them. And they don't even ask you any questions on them. You can take them to Home Depot, and if they have them, they'll exchange them right there, or you can get them sent to the store and pick them up. But it is a lifetime warranty. This is supposed to be like a $70 value. I only paid like 20 some dollars for it. So I got a great deal on it. So, like I said, I'll put a link down below. And don't forget to check them out. And if you're interested, buy them. They come in really handy for a shop. Or even for the local DIY guy that just likes to tinker around, backyard mechanics or whatever you want to call us. But I'll put the link to them, so don't forget to check those out, and don't forget to comment on my channel, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great one, everybody. Bye.